Hi everyone, welcome to my channel PinTouch by Karyan. Today we are going to learn how to e-verify your income tax return in simple steps. We all know that e-verification is very important, otherwise our file data will become invalid and you have to file return again. Without waiting, let's know the process. Before that, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment and what are you want to know in the next videos. Once you file the return, first check whether it is e-verified or not. To know it, first you have to click on e-file, then you can see the option of income tax returns. Click on that and further drop down you can see view file returns. If you click on view file returns, then you can see all the file returns on the screen and click on the view details on the latest income tax return where you want to verify whether it is e-verified or not. On the screen you can see the income tax return is not verified, so we have to e-verify this return. How to do it? There are two options. One, you can click on directly verify return on the screen, or second option, again you can click on the e-file and click on income tax return, then click on e-verify the return. Once you click on the e-verify return, you can see all the returns which are pending for the e-verification. Click on the e-verify button, you can see there are different options you can e-verify. But let's for now, we are going to choose Aadhaar OTP and I'm clicking on the first option and clicking on the continue. Then you have to click on I would like to validate my Aadhaar details on the checkbox and generate Aadhaar OTP. Once you click on that, a Aadhaar OTP will send to your registered mobile ID and you have to enter that. Once you enter it, you can see on the screen that return got e-verified. The same thing you can find it on your dashboard as shown on the screen. Return got e-verified and processing is still pending. And in the other way, you can find click on e-file, income tax return and view filed on returns. And then you can click on view details of the latest income tax return and you can see previously it was shown as pending e-verification. Now you can see it's already e-verified and pending for processing. And further videos, I'm going to upload how to file income tax return. For that, like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel and comment below which all content you want in the next. Until then, so I hope you like this video and thank you.